Lance?
Dad had the idea of painting it red.
Oh, that's a good idea since it says red toolbox. What is it? What kind of bird do you think will go in it?
What are those types of birds that are in our backyard?
Well, we have red cardinals. Oh, I bet the red cardinals will go in there.
Yeah,
don't
because
they?
they like red.
Well, of course. They must think it's the most beautiful color ever, right?
Yeah.
Of course. You're doing a fine job with that. How'd you find the cup and everything? Where'd you get all that from? Pulling that out of the trash can that says biohazard?
Yes.
You found your paints and everything. You are a good child.
I'm the smart one.
Yeah, you are a smart one.